Hi all, this is your Professor Ian. This is a very short guide to using Perusall and when you need to annotate something other than text. So let's take a look. Let's open up a document here. So you open up your Perusall assignment as per usual. Click on the Load Discussion button. It'll take you to Perusall as per usual. From there, let's scroll down. This is text, right? We can highlight this text, so that's what we're used to. That's the default setting for Perusall. If we come back here, come down here, this is an image taken from a scan. I had to upload it as an image. So let's come down here to some of the text. Where we are? There we are. Okay. So here we are. This is not text, so we can't highlight that. I'm trying to highlight it with my cursor, but I can't do it. So what I need to do is I need to come up here to the Annotate Figure option, right? And so I've toggled that. You can toggle back and forth. I've toggled that and see now I have these little crosshair, my cursor's a little crosshair, and I can go here, right? And I can highlight that and I can leave comments as per usual. Blah, blah, blah. You know, obviously I'd make a better comment than that. And then enter. There we go. And so now anybody else coming here will see, oh, what's this? This is another comment I left. This is my comment. Here's another comment. And you can interact with these comments as usual. You can leave your own, highlight your own part of the field and leave your own comments. And that's all done by toggling the Annotate Figure tab. And you can, click back in case you want to, say, come back up here and highlight some of the text. You can do that. Or I suppose you can use that, but it's better, of course, to use annotate text when there's readable text. Anyway, so that's how you use that option on Perusall. Sometimes I upload images and stuff to discuss, and that's the button you would use to do that. So please do email me if you have any questions about this, and otherwise, have fun.